What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something that could help enhance your crypto trading experience. It's going to get you involved. It helps you learn. There's lots of tutorials. But before we dive in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, get stuff on your radar, hopefully make money as a community, but have fun. All right, let's get straight in. Dohrnii.io, that's the website. As you can see here, we're going to go on a quick overview. So this website's a bit different. It doesn't have all the tabs at the top. As you scroll down, it starts to give you more information on what's going on here. So what is Dohrnii? It has an academy section so you can learn to earn with our gamified app, gain the skills to become a successful crypto investor. Click the read more button and get diving into that, do your own research. They have the marketplace on there. So that's your first investment marketplace focused around the exchange of data and strategies for the crypto industry. Again, you can click read more and get in. On the right hand side, you can see these images here. It gives you a bit of a brief what it looks like inside of it. They obviously have the wallet. This is a non-custodial blockchain wallet. You can get it on the App Store, the Play Store. Just click the buttons below and it will download straight to your phone or your mobile device. How it works then, going through. Number one, you're going to learn about the crypto industry and gain an investing edge. That's what everyone should be doing when you start out. You shouldn't be investing straight away. You should be learning about what this is. Number two, you participate in quizzes and challenges to win crypto awards. Okay, everybody should be getting them doing giveaways. It's the easiest way to get crypto, the less risk way. Just get on with them rewards, get involved. Number three, access high quality data and strategies on a marketplace. So you can go on there, mark them out yourself, get access to the already marked trading and get some really cool ideas. Number four, become a creator and monetize your content on the marketplace. So if you're going through this, you're loving it, you think this is my passion, this is what I want to do, you can become a creator and actually monetize your content. Now they have blogs, you can read about them here. Let's talk about NFTs, the Dohrnii marketplace. Super, super cool. Talking about the founder then, we have Dad Van Yusuf. He's the CEO. His quote here, I know what to look for when investing. I want to pass on that knowledge. He's got his face, he's out there. I love that. It's transparent. You can learn more about them by clicking there. But like he said, the crypto will bring infrastructure changes to almost every industry. That's a big statement to make, but when you go through all the information on here, I do believe it could be true. Looking through the roadmap, we have the 23rd of May to the 29th was the staking feature added. The 30th of May to the 5th of June, which we've just passed, is the DEO voting one. Now moving through to the 6th of June to the 12th is the trading pair DHN to VET. That's their token. Going on to the Vexchange. Now 13th June to 19th June is the 100 community members, and we're moving on further and further. Scrolling through, we've got 20 to 26. That's when you get access to the Swapper DeFi, then the NFT giveaway. That's going to be the biggest one. You know I love the NFT, so I'm super excited for that. Tier 1 exchange listing is 4th July to the 10th. The DAO staking feature for V1 is 11th July to 7th July. Write these in your notepad, keep them on the top of your head, and get ready for these dates. All the links will be down below this video anyway, but the contact links are at the bottom if you want to get in touch or get involved in their social media. The DHN token is on PancakeSwap. As you can see, just click DHN token on the top, click it on there, and it will take you straight to PancakeSwap. If you're not familiar with that, please go and watch a YouTube video tutorial, learn what PancakeSwap is. It's probably one of the most popular ways to buy these coins before they get big traction and hit the big markets. All you're going to do is click on it here and it shows you this is BNB to Cake. You're going to search the DHN token on here and you're going to buy it. You can either swap it for crypto you've already got, or you could just buy it yourself. You connect your wallet up in the top right and get going. So the blockchain on is the VeChain. That's the native chain. It's also on Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain, but VeChain is the native. Here's the contact addresses. So all the way down, that's obviously the VeChain one, the Ethereum, and the Binance Smart Chain address. Exchanges, it's only on PancakeSwap, the DHN versus BNB. So if you go over here and click the BNB, you'll type in DHN. You can see it here, import it into, I've not connected my wallet, so I don't know if it'll let me, but click I understand, import. And now you've got the DHN token, okay? Going on to BNB, so you can see the trading going on here at a big spike, and it's come back down. We're ready for it to go back up. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, that's just my view. Looking at the week chart, you can see it's high gains, 8.26%, so we're flying there. So the total supply of this token is 372 million. That's the DHN token, and it does play a vital part in the platform. Why was it created? It was created intensive all purposes to contribute to the ecosystem. We created a compensation framework powered by their very own token as the core driver. Now, I've already talked about the academy. With the academy, you do get rewarded when you complete quizzes and challenges, so that's something you definitely need to do. You'll get rewarded in their native token, which you can then go onto PancakeSwap and swap if you want to, or use it inside the platform. The marketplace, obviously that will allow the token to be used as well and align incentives between participants and ensure honest behavior across the platform. Quick touch on the tokenomics. We have 10% to the team, 20% to the community, 10% reserves, 5% in the advisors, liquidity is 5%, the token sales 20%, and the ecosystem and development is 30%. Having a quick look at their Twitter, we've got 5,000 followers. It is at DOHRNII_IO. The links will be down below. You can click their link tree and get to everything else. They do have a massive giveaway going on. You can win 100,000 USD. You've got to buy 500 of the native tokens, stake them for 6 months on the actual wallet, like and retweet this tweet, this one that we're showing you right now, and then send the transaction hatch on Telegram. Why not get involved? It's free. You never know. You might be able to win 100,000 in Bitcoin. Give this Twitter a follow. Let you know they're from this channel. Get some hype. Get engaged. There's loads of cool games on here like you can see, and lots of giveaways. So now I'm going to show you how to buy this on the VeChain exchange. So it's vexchange.io/swap. That's where you're going to go on. You're going to change this just like we did on PancakeSwap to the DHN token. It's already there, and select the token you want to change it to, okay? Usually you can type in BNB and things like that on PancakeSwap, but here you want to use VET, connect your wallet and go from there. You can swap the token. So all this token that you're making inside the platform, you just come on here, connect your wallet and swap it back out to VET. VET is on nearly every exchange, so you can then change that into fiat and things like that, which is super easy. So in summary, guys, I love this. I love the VET chain. It's incredible. I think you should definitely be getting involved in this project. Okay, disclaimer, we're not financial advisors, but what I do is this every single day, and I'm telling you, I think this is great. If you love this video, let us know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you can get notified whenever I'm back on my laptop getting ready to drop you some nuggets. I will have a good day. Please, you have a good day too. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.